Here's the track off the boom, off the Catalina. It's been on there a long time, and it's got some salt deposits. Just a little bit up top. When we flip it over, quite a bit of salt. See what the salts just slowly eat away. And you can tell when you get to the end of the salt accumulation that the anodized coating, it's not really a coating, it's a surface. The anodized surface will wear away and kind of feather out. There's no more salts under here. It was all there. But that spot here started off looking like a small spot like that. But this spot here, you'll see, will probably extend quite a ways past just these little marks. So I'm going to hit them with a little wire wheel, little stainless wire wheel. This spot here as well, same thing, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Let's bring it over to the other bench with the Dremel. It's just a little Dremel, stainless wire brush attachment, and I'll just give you a quick demo is what I'm talking about. You can see the salt just powdering off from the wheel. But yeah, see there's salt under there. Couldn't see them before, but they're there. The wire wheel will expose them. I'm not pushing hard, just very lightly. Saw those two spots just appear out of where it looked like it was nice and clean. It looked fine, but it wasn't. As soon as I touched it with the wire brush, very lightly, it just whoop, up there it is, a little spot where the salts had gotten underneath or past the anodized surface from the bottom, not to the top of the anodized surface, but from the bottom. Quite strange how it does that, but that's what salts do apparently. It's very strange. But those will clean up. The anodized surface doesn't impart any structural strength. It just is a super hard surface that is supposed to resist this kind of situation, but obviously it doesn't always work. And these are stainless screws into an aluminum track, into an aluminum boom. So without Tep gel or Lanacoat, whatever you want to use, you've got to put something on there to keep this from happening on your new stuff or during a restoration. Cool.